Hello viewers, welcome to the Adobe Illustrator world. Today I am going to show you a typographical logo. This logo will be very simple, but it is most attractive. Then let's get started now. I am opening Adobe Illustrator CC 2015 and now go to the toolbar and select this ellipse tool. Now selecting this and click on this artboard. I am taking with 150 pixel and then 150 pixel also. Click on OK. Here is a circle and this circle has only the stroke color and there is no fill color. We just need now the stroke color. After that I am going again to this ellipse tool and clicking on this artboard, and now I am selecting with 60 pixel and height also 60 pixel and click OK. Now select both of these and go to the align tool. Align it horizontal, align center, and then align it by vertical, align center. Now select both of these and then again go to the toolbar. Select this shape builder tool. I am selecting this one and come into the inner circle point, I mean this point, and now just press Alt and left click of your mouse. Now this point is blank. After that I am selecting this selection tool and go to the pathfinder tool. Here is the pathfinder tool and open it and select this, I mean unite. I am going to unite this and unite it. After that I am again going to the rectangle tool. Now click on it and this is the rectangle tool. I am selecting this one and drawing a shape like this. You have to remember that this line point and this line point will be similar. After that I am selecting this again. Here is align tool and vertically align bottom. Now again select this and go to the toolbar and select shape builder tool. I am selecting this one and I mean click the left button of your mouse and minus it and then minus this line and then minus this line. After that you have to minus this one. Okay, and come to the selection tool again and now select this drag selection tool. After that select this anchor point and click on it and just drag and drop it inner side of this shape. In this similar way we have to draw another shape. I mean go to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool again and click on this artboard and select from here 150 and then 150 also and click OK. After that select again this ellipse tool and click on this artboard and select 60 and then also 60 and click OK. Now place this circle into this one. After that select both of these and align it by pressing this horizontal align center and then click on this align key, vertical align center. After that you have to go to the shape builder tool and now select this one and minus this inner circle point by clicking the Alt key of your keyboard and left click the mouse. Now go to the pathfinder tool and make it unite and after that go to the selection tool again and then you can go to the rectangle tool, click on it and select this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this way and place it in the line point. After that, select this rectangle tool only and go to the direct selection tool and select this anchor point and come to here and drag it inner side of this shape and drop it now, and select it again and rotate it as this way and place it, I mean right side, and select this again and align it the vertically align bottom, and then select all of this and go to the shape builder tool again and minus this point by pressing alt and click the left button of your mouse. After that, click on this line and minus it, and then minus this point and also minus this point. It's maybe okay. Now look at this is another shape. Now you have to select this and right click on it and group it now, and then select this and right click on it and group it now. After that, select this and place it left, and now you can place it point to point, I mean in this way, and select both of these and select the vertically aligned bottom. Now look at this, and we have to copy it again and click alt and drag and drop it in the right side and make another copy, and then select both of these, go to the pathfinder tool, here is pathfinder, and unite this shape. Now fill it, we have to fill it with two color, go to the gradient and then select this, and I am selecting here blue and also the yellow is here. Now look at this and minus the line color and minus it. After that, we have to select this shape only and select this corner and press shift and alt and drag it to the inner side and make it small. After that, select both of these and align it to the vertical align bottom, and then place it in the point, I mean this point, and again go to the pathfinder tool and unite this, and now you can fill it with this gradient color and change this color red and place it here. Now look at this, I think it's almost okay. So see you next, bye bye.